Listen, being me is not easy. I have like so many ideas in my head. So I tend to leave myself notes everywhere of what expected throughout the day. So here's the deal. I'm going away in a few weeks and I need the perfect house sitters. Yeah, you heard me. The perfect house sitters, home sitters, whatever you call them. I need the perfect ones. My parents, 1, because they're free, 2, because they love me. My family will assure you that I'm a little bit too precise, but I swear to you, it's all in good faith. According to an article on Time, one 2013 study found that ordinary spaces promote healthy choices, but also conventional thinking. On the other hand, while working in a messy or disorganized place promotes creativity and new ideas. Albert Einstein had a famous quote that I really loved because I felt like it hit home for me, but it also disagreed the way how I keep things very, very organized. So here it is. If a cluttered desk is a sign of a cluttered mind, of what then is an empty desk a sign? Another article that I found from Harvard University, other psychologists had mentioned that the drive to organize can be a sign of underlying mental anguish or unrest. During times of uncertainty, people usually search for activities that may help them control this uncertainty. Now, I don't know if I have a personal problem with keeping things precise, organized, and cleanliness, but I think you should have that in general. Now, I felt that if I explained the things that I wanted done for my home, like explaining it over the phone, I felt like a lot of miscommunication would get lost and things would pretty much get forgotten and majority of things probably won't get done. So this is the key thing that I wanted to make clear. So sticky notes it is. In perfect color coordination, nothing can go wrong. For example, so blue would be like high demand, yellow would be like really, really high demand, and like red would be like extreme high demand. Perfect. So since I didn't have those exact colors on handy, I just figured that I would just use any of the colors that I had that was pretty much sitting around in my home. I just think, in my opinion, it's pretty common sense to figure out which sticky note is from high to highest priority. Like, correct? I must say, I felt more secure and happy that I left my place with my potential loved ones. Nothing can go wrong. The only problem, him.
Thank you.
See, let me tell you a little bit of backstory about Apollo and a little bit of backstory about me. See, I never had a cat. This is my first cat actually, and I just thought they were lazy, fat, lazy, and boring. So I never cared for a cat, never did I want a cat. But however, I got gifted a cat and here we are. But I definitely raised some wild animal or like some wild beast. And the neediest cat I ever met with high demands. The highest. I think more than me, slightly, maybe slightly less. No, the same demands. Like the extreme demands. I love it. My cat is like my son. That is like everything in my life. I don't need anything else. I mean, everything else can just burn and die and it would be perfectly fine with me. But my cat, perfection. Even if he destroys things, it's perfectly disruptive. However, I need to keep it tamed, or as you would say, I need to keep him tamed. Because, you know, obviously I'm not here to take care of him and nobody else knows how to take care of him besides me, because obviously I'm the best and who does it better than I do? I have to say, as of now, he will have precise directions as well. I can't help it. Gotta keep this place good. Let me get closer. I'm about to leave right now. Wait, what? Oh, the house sitters. What about them? Oh yeah. I don't have to call them or text them. You know that, right? Like, I left them a sticky note. 1 second. I wouldn't even have to reach out to them. They can just read this. Guys, I don't have time to chat. Sorry. I gotta get going. So I'm gonna put on my fake sunglasses. Goodbye. Thank you guys for watching this video. It was definitely a little bit out of my comfort zone. Let me know what you think in the comments. The main point of this video is that I'm a very precise person and I like to be very cleanliness, and I feel that to create small happiness, things are not always gonna go right, or whoever's house sitting your house, home sitting your house, whatever you wanna call it. Sometimes people just forget, or maybe it won't be up to par of what you want. You have to understand that life should go on. Don't get uptight about it. Don't be mad about it. Don't be so precise. All those sticky notes are not necessary. Just understand that life will go on with or without you being happy or mad about your house not being perfectly house-sitted. Well, with that said, if you are new here, my name's Janyell. Hi, welcome. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already for more content like this. I hope you guys have a great one. Take care. Peace. Hey guys, sorry. So, I cut the video a little bit too short and I felt bad because I didn't even mention that if you like this video, hit the like button. Obviously subscribe if you like anything that I do and you want this channel to grow. Comment below on anything about the video, anything that you liked, anything you disliked, or any recommendations of any video that you guys want me to do that will create small happiness. I would love that. It does help out with the algorithm and also pushes my video a little bit to the top. Other than that, guys, I really don't know much. I mean, I became famous last month. I mean, this is all new. But anyway, besides all that, I really do appreciate anything that you guys do for me, whether it's a like, subscribe, comment, or all three. I hope you guys have an amazing, amazing day. Technically, it's a couple days before Valentine's Day. I took a day off today from work just to chill out. I have no idea what's going on or what is planned for today. First time not using a sticky note, by the way, because I actually do sticky notes in real life. So let's see what today brings me. I hope you guys have a good one. As I said, take care. Peace.